Hey, this is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing the top 50 most common ALJ questions that a child-based disability claim may run into while at the hearing stage. Let's go through it. 26. Does the child need help with hygiene-related functions? So essentially, does the child need help with things like, applying deodorant, taking a shower, going to the bathroom, keeping themselves clean, being able to, brush their teeth, being able to do other functions related to their health? How are they unique to the child's impairments? Does the child's impairments affect their ability to keep themselves clean in any way, manner, or form? These are the things that you're going to have to talk about when the judge asks you, does the child have any difficulty with hygiene-related functions? All right, my name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and I'll catch you a little bit later, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.